In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually import bank transactions into QuickBooks Online using CSV files. This walkthrough is perfect if your bank doesn't connect directly to QuickBooks, or if you need to bring in historical activity. We'll keep it simple, clear, and precise so you feel confident from start to finish. First, make sure you've downloaded your bank or credit card statement as a CSV file. Most banks let you export transactions from their website. When you do, choose a clean date range with no overlapping days and select the CSV format. Before moving on, open the file to check a few things. You should have clear column headers like date, description, and amount, or separate columns for money in and money out. Remove any extra headers, footers, balances, or blank rows so only transactions remain. Make sure the dates are consistent and that amounts are numbers without currency symbols. Save the file once it looks tidy. Next, sign in to QuickBooks Online. From the main dashboard, go to the banking area. Depending on your view, you might see it as Transactions, then Bank Transactions. This is the hub where you manage feeds and manual uploads. Inside the banking section, look for the button that says Link Account. Even though the name suggests connecting to a bank, this is also where you'll bring in a CSV. Choose the option to upload from file, then browse to select your CSV. You'll be asked which QuickBooks account these transactions belong to. Pick the specific bank or credit card register that matches the file you're importing so everything lands in the right place. During the upload, QuickBooks will prompt you to map your columns. Match date to date, description to description or memo, and amount to amount, or map money in and money out to their respective fields. Double-check the date format shown on screen matches your file, and confirm the correct currency. If you see a preview, scan for anything odd like reversed signs, incorrect dates, or duplicate lines. If something looks off, cancel, fix the CSV, save it, and run the upload again. When everything looks right, confirm the import. Once the upload completes, your transactions will appear in the bank feed for that account, ready for review. If you imported a large range, take a quick look to ensure the beginning and ending dates line up with your statement and that there are no duplicates from prior uploads. That's it. You've successfully brought in your bank transactions with a CSV, keeping your books up to date even without a live bank connection.